Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're diving into the world of cryptocurrency, especially XRP, then you're in the right place. Today, we're tackling a super straightforward guide on how to transfer XRP from Toast Wallet in 2025. With the crypto landscape evolving rapidly, Toast Wallet has some cool new features like enhanced security protocols and seamless integrations, making transfers easier than ever. Whether you're sending XRP to another wallet or exchanging it, this step-by-step tutorial will have you sorted in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of Toast Wallet installed on your device. In 2025, updates are key for optimal security, so head to the App Store and download any pending updates. Once you're all set, open the app and log in with your secure credentials. Remember, always use two-factor authentication to keep your assets safe. Next, navigate to your XRP wallet within the app. You'll see a dashboard showing your balance and transaction history. Look for the Transfer or Send button. It's usually front and center for quick access. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to enter the recipient's XRP address. Double-check this address to avoid any costly mistakes. It's like double-checking a street address before mailing a package. Now, input the amount of XRP you want to send. Toast Wallet in 2025 might even suggest transaction fees based on network congestion, so keep an eye on that to save some costs. After entering the details, review everything on the confirmation screen. This is your last chance to make sure the recipient and amount are correct. Hit Confirm to initiate the transfer. You'll get a notification once it's processed, which usually takes just a few minutes thanks to improved blockchain speeds. And voila, your XRP is on its way. As a quick tip, always keep an eye on your transaction on a blockchain explorer for real-time updates. There you have it, folks. That's how you transfer XRP from Toast Wallet in 2025. It's simple, secure, and empowers you to manage your crypto with confidence. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.